In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Chrome extension quickly and safely using the built-in Chrome settings. This is perfect if your browser is getting cluttered, you no longer use an extension, or you just want to clean up Chrome and keep only the tools you actually need. Removing unused extensions can also help improve browser performance and reduce distractions while you work or browse. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the far top right corner of the browser, look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to important browser settings. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. Next, move your mouse over Extensions in the menu. When you hover over it, Chrome will show you extension-related options. From there, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a page where all of your installed Chrome extensions are listed in one place. Now you'll see every extension currently added to your browser. Scroll through the list carefully and find the extension you want to delete. Take your time here so you make sure you're removing the correct one, especially if you have several extensions installed. Once you find the extension, look inside its box and click the Remove button. Chrome will usually ask you to confirm before it deletes the extension, which helps prevent accidental removal. After that, click Remove again to confirm. And that's it. The extension is now removed from Chrome. If you ever want to add it back later, you can usually reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. This is a super easy way to keep your browser organized, faster, and more secure. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.